Each user can modify the transaction process, whether it's for shipping or mailing. Once logged into S.M.A.R.T, the user can navigate to the transaction history section on the left sidebar. From here, you can view all transactions associated with the user account. This includes all transactions, all shipping transactions, all mailing transactions, all RTS transactions, or manual transactions. Manual transactions are manually created into an account in S.M.A.R.T. On the right side, there are all transactions again, in progress, delivered, canceled, and adjusted transactions. An adjusted transaction is one that was created under the wrong account and needs to be reassigned to the correct one. Below, a legend explains the transaction type. For example, here is a FedEx transaction that is a multi-package process here and labeled MPS. The Details section shows the details of the transaction. The Docs section will show the documents attached to this transaction. Actions/status will display the tracking of this transaction. You can reprint the last label or edit the transaction if needed. Clicking on the icon under Details will show you a receipt of exactly who created this transaction, when the transaction was created, and the time or date. If you scroll, you will see an option to download this transaction. This will be downloaded as a PDF when clicked on Download. It will open as a PDF, and you have the option to save and email it. At the top, you will see the option to email this transaction. If you click on this tab and enter the email address, it will open up your email file and then send this to the email address entered. Clicking on an icon in the Docs section will open a document. In this example, the only attached document is the shipping label. For international transactions, a customs form would also be attached. You can download or print any documents attached to a transaction. Remember, you must be logged into the device manager to print from here.